All important functions of the tool can be accessed with shortcuts, so you can improve your workflow and create titles much faster. This video shows some examples. Use the Insert key to create a title at the current time, and Control and Space key to play or pause the video. Use the Control and down arrow to turn the current time into the hide time. If you want to repeat the last part, you can play the video from the show time with Control, Shift, and Space key. For line breaks, use Shift and Enter. After you have finished a title, you can either repeat this step by creating a title and setting the hide time afterwards with Control and down arrow. Or by playing to the end time of the next title and creating the new title afterwards. In this case, you don't have to worry about show and hide time, as both will be set automatically. If you don't want the video to jump to the current show time again, you can adjust this setting in the preferences. Use the Escape key to get rid of the focus in any input field. Now you can jump to the existing titles with the up and down keys. With the letter E key, you can select a title to edit it, and by pressing the E key a second time, you can focus the title's text field. Use the Tab key to focus the next input field. In all time fields, you can change the values with the up and down arrow keys. These and many other shortcuts are listed in the Help window. Depending on your operating system and browser, some shortcuts may not work. Therefore, there are several possible keyboard combinations for one shortcut.